Hi, today's topics are energy consumption and energy sources. Here we see a chart of the U.S. energy consumptions by sector. Now the sectors are transportation, industrial, commercial, electric power, and residential. Now the lowest sectors are residential and commercial, and these sectors consist of buildings such as schools, our homes, restaurants, and other buildings like that. Transportation are trains, airplanes, cars, trucks. Industrial are the ones that do the processing of the hot and cold, like to heat up things. And the electric power is the appliances that we use. Now, as you see, it lists the sources of the sectors, and the most common one is petroleum. Now, what is petroleum? Petroleum is what we see, especially like here in California. There are these industries that have these type of cranes that take out the petroleum from underground, and from there they go to the industrial sectors which process them. Now here we have a chart showing the sources and the sectors. Now most of these sources connect to all the sectors. In this chart we see that all the sources connect to the electric power sector, and so do the other sectors. And we see the electric retail sales, which is the amount of electricity sold to customers. Then we also see the other part, which is the electrical system energy losses, which means the amount of energy lost during transmission or distribution. So to clarify, it just means that the electric power, here we have the energy that is lost as heat in the conductors, which is when the energy is being transmitted from long distances, like during power lines and other things similar to that. Thank you, and I hope you learned a little bit about energy consumption and energy resources.